Hello and welcome to this session. I'm Raghav and today we will learn Build Monitor View plugin in Jenkins, and we will go very basic step by step and learn what is Build Monitor View plugin and how to add it in Jenkins. So let's get started and I will search for Jenkins Build Monitor plugin, and here this is a page for this plugin and I will also show you some images for this. So here let us go to the plugin page, and this is Build Monitor plugin, and you can see here Build Monitor plugin provides a highly visible view of the status of selected Jenkins job. So this is a plugin by which we can get a very good dashboard which can be useful to see the summary of all your jobs and builds. And if I show you some images, this is what your jobs summary will look like. Also, if you go to the images, you can see these are some of the images. So let us learn how to get this kind of a summary. So I will go to my Jenkins, and I have already started my Jenkins on port 9191, and I have to go to manage Jenkins and then go to manage plugins. So let me just go again, manage plugins. Yes, and here I will go to the available section, and in the available section I will search for build monitor, and I will get this build monitor view, and you can also see it says provides a highly visible view of the status of selected Jenkins jobs. It is easily accommodates different computer screen sizes and is ideal for an extreme feedback. So I will check this and say install without restart for now. You can also download and install it after restart, and let us wait for this installation to get complete. So this is installing Build Monitor View plugin on my Jenkins, and it is successful. So I will go back to my Jenkins, and now I will click on this plus sign to create a new view, and I will go here, and you can see now you are getting this option. Build Monitor View shows a highly visible status of selected jobs. So I will select this and I can give any name here. I will say this is Build Monitor 1 and say OK. This will take you to the configuration screen of this build monitor, and here you can select the jobs. So as of now I have just these three jobs. I will select all, and then you can give some description which is optional. You can also filter the jobs that you want to select with the regular expression, and then you can give some tile name here. You can select order by, display name, full name, status, etc. And I will select status for now, and then you can use these options as well. Failure analyzer plugin field to display all this you can say, and then finally apply and OK. And as soon as you apply these changes, you will get your build monitor view, and let us just wait for this to come up. So yes, this is building my build monitor, and this should show me my three jobs that I have selected. And yes, you can see these three jobs, and of course the fonts and the sizes you can change, and as you will have more jobs it will accommodate itself. Also you can go to this settings and then you can change the text to scale, and you can select maximum number of columns and all these things you can do, and there are other options. Now here you will find that it will show you the status in colors. So you can see gray and green here. You can see the number of builds, you can see the time as well. So this is very useful to get an overall summary, and this is all about using build monitor view plugin in Jenkins. I hope this session was very useful for you. Thank you for watching.